Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic display. We'll go step by step through customizing both your central infotainment screen and the digital instrument cluster. You'll learn to adjust brightness, apply new visual themes, and even set a personalized background image. Plus, we'll cover how to organize your frequently used applications for quick access. Get ready to make your Civic's display truly yours and enhance your driving experience. Let's start with your central infotainment screen. From the home screen, tap Settings, then navigate to System or Display to find your main customization options. Here, you can easily adjust the screen's brightness, contrast, and black levels to suit your preference. You can also switch between day and night display modes for comfortable viewing in any lighting condition, ensuring clarity at all times. Now, let's personalize the look of your display. You can change the entire visual skin or theme of your infotainment system through the settings. For a truly unique touch, upload custom background images using a USB drive. You can also easily rearrange your app icons on the home screen by pressing and holding them, just like on a smartphone, to create your ideal layout. Finally, let's customize your instrument cluster, the display behind your steering wheel. Use the brightness control dial, typically located to the left of the steering wheel, to adjust its illumination. You can also personalize the gauge design, choosing between classic round or modern bar styles. Select which information, such as fuel economy or turn-by-turn directions, is most important for your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.